Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable mouse pointer precision on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So it basically allows you to change the mouse sensitivity on your computer depending on how fast you move your mouse. In certain situations it could be useful. In other cases you may not want to use it, particularly if you do a lot of gaming, because the enhanced pointer precision feature does not have a linear increase across the board. So it's kind of hard to be completely accurate, and it might mess up different games you may be playing. So just want to keep that in mind depending on your application. You may want to look into what it is a little bit more on your own time. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by in the top right to large icons, and then you want to select Mouse. Select the Pointer Options tab, and where it says select a pointer speed right under here, it says Enhance Pointer Precision. You can turn that on or off by checking that box or unchecking it, and then you would select Apply and OK to save the change, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.